Hello everyone, welcome to this new video to talk about Agentforce. So we learn today to communicate with API to your agents. So as you can see here, I'm able to interact with my agents through API with Postman, and you can do that to build like custom apps, for example. So here, as you can see, I'm able to receive the same answer that I will be receiving directly from the agent builder. So let's get started. We will learn that together today, and I will start with what is interesting, which is the Postman side. So to get started, all you have to do is to receive a JSON access token. And for that, we will be using what we call JWT, so JSON access token. So in order to do that, we will do a post HTTP request to the Salesforce API using a service authentication token. In grant type, you can use that. And here we will come specify that we want a GW token bearer. And by using grant type and this value, the system will understand that we want to generate access token by using the GWT token. And here in assertion, we will need to upload a key that we will be creating together. So in order to create this key, what you will need to do is to go into the system and use like a terminal to create two values. The first value will be we will create a private key and a certificate. So you can write this command, so server 3, for example, and 2048, which is the size of it. Okay, so this is created, and now we need to create the certificate. So we will be using that in the future for our connected app that we will need in the future. And here I will create the certificate. So here I will just put some random value. But once we have created that, we will go into gw2.io. We will fill out the information, the encryption, the token. And here we will open value of our connected app and put the public key, like the ID. This is my username, the Salesforce access, and when is supposed to expire my key. Now I will go into the server key and we will write text edit. I will pass this value, paste it here, generate that, and this will give me my JSON web token. So, and now I will click on send. Once I click on send, Salesforce will reply OK, and will give me an access token. An access token that will allow me to connect to the Salesforce org. So once I get the token, I will just need to copy the access token, and I will come to put a few things. I will write bearer, past the key. Here I will content type JSON. And here I will do another post request, but this time I will come to specify the agent. So the agent will be, if I click on my service agent that I've created before with using the knowledge builder, this will be the ID. So I will come to copy the ID, paste it here, and click on send. Okay, so this gives me session ID. So the session ID is the new conversation that I open. So here, as you can see, the welcoming message from the agent is the same as the one that we must have here. Okay, so it's working. So now I can continue to interact with my agent by creating a new request. But what I need to do is to do the session ID that I will come to copy here. And I will come to paste it here. Sorry. Okay, I save. And now I will come to copy my access token that I had before. And I will paste it here. Okay. And now I will click on save. And in body, as you can see, I have the sequence ID, so it's just a UID, and the question that I asked to my agent. So here, Postman is asking directly to the agent the question, and we are hoping to receive an answer to the agent. So let's see what is come back with. So we have 200 OK. And here I have another question that is, SF4 AI is your go-to resource for mastering artificial intelligence, practice exam, training. Interesting. Another question that I could ask is something, who is Salesforce for AI? Who is the best audience for using Salesforce for AI? I just ask a question, and we will see if I can interact with the agent again. Okay, and here I have the answer. SF4 AI is ideal for individuals looking to enhance their skill in Salesforce artificial intelligence, blah, 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 blah. Okay, now if I ask within the builder of the agent, I should have like pretty much the same answer. Okay, so I have like the same type of answer. So this is to show you how you can use the Postman part, but in order to do that, you will need to create the connected app. So in order to connect the connected app, you will go into external client app manager, new client app manager. Then you will need to, sorry, it was not that, it was in setting. In setting, you need to create new connected app. And then we will create a second video that will cover what you need to create within the connected app using the JW token that will allow you to access Agentforce with Postman and with API. So this will be in a separated video, but basically that's pretty much it. That's how you can interact with an Agentforce agent by using API. If you have any question or you would like to create an agent